Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to update the Android software on your Android phone. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Next, scroll down and tap Software Update, System, or System Update, depending on your device. Then, tap Check for updates or download and install. Your phone will now search for the latest software update available. If an update is available, tap Download and wait for the download to finish. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network and have enough battery power before starting the update. Once the download is complete, tap Install Now, restart and install, or update, depending on your device. Your phone will restart automatically and begin installing the update. This process may take several minutes, so avoid turning off your phone while the installation is in progress. After the update is complete, your phone will restart again and load the latest version of the software. To confirm the update was successful, go back to Settings, then About Phone or Software Information, and check the Android version or security patch level. Keeping your phone updated helps improve security, fix bugs, and add new features, so it's a good idea to check for updates regularly. That's all. You've successfully updated the Android software on your phone. Happy watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.